hot dogs. First we have bread, sausage, spicy sauce, tomato sauce, and mayonnaise. Secondly, we put it on a bread and spread the chili sauce to the bread to hot dogs like this. And we add sauce, tomato, and the last spread mayonnaise.
Oke, udah. Tahanya pernah ya kumaha?